Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a creepy skull. All right, it's going to be simple, easy for beginners. We have a bunch of different skulls on the channel drawn in different ways, so go check those out in the playlist. But yeah, let's go. Let's do this together. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to curve up over here, down here, down here. These are the eyes that I'm doing right now. Curve down, curve right here, curve underneath, curve underneath. Kind of, so these are the holes to the eyes, right? The eye sockets. And basically what's happening is, we're starting the face off in a little bit of an exaggerated way. It's kind of drooping, right? Just to kind of give some variety to our skulls. Curve down here, up. Curve down here, up. Kind of like an upside down heart. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill these in with my marker, okay? While I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you about one thing. Remember, if you like drawing on the channel, I know you guys like drawing cute stuff. And so basically, I made a free ebook on how to draw cute. It's the formula to drawing anything cute. It's very simple, and the thing is, it used to be something I used to sell. It was a product. So think about it in your mind, think about think about it in your mind. Basically, what makes something cute? Is it big? Is it small? What do? You make everything small, everything big? Cute is 100% about proportion. Not 100%, most of it. So how big you make something in comparison to how small you make something else. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of like a big thing with proportion. So big head, small body, right? How small do you make it? And that's really... and that's really kind of like a big thing about it. 95% of people, though, that draw cute stuff, though, they draw it in the exact same proportions. And that's what I show you. I show you in little charts, very simple charts you can just look at. They're ready to print. And it's basically a product that I'm giving for free because I am very, very happy that you're watching the channel and that you're doing this. So thanks so much. Thank you. That's my thank you. And that's your free gift. Go get it in the description. It is right there to download, and you can, like I said, print out. It's 20 pages, and you'll learn. You basically know that information for the rest of your life, like how to draw something cute. Use it as a guide. All right, gonna go over here. So we filled that in. Now we're gonna go over here and find the bones over here, down, up. Bones over here, down, up, up, down. Over here, down. Curve, 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 curve. And now what I want to do is I want to draw the teeth on the bottom right here. Curve, curve, curve. I drew one tooth in there. I shouldn't have done that, but I'll do the rest now. Boom, boom. Draw up, 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 up. Right there. And I'm going to go right here from the sides. Pull down for the jaw area. Down. Go over here. Pull down for the jaw area, down, up. There you go. See how you got the bottom jaw, the mandible there? All right. So far, so good, right? It's already looking kind of spooky, right? I love that. By the way, let me know in the comments section what you're going to dress like for Halloween. I have no idea still. I should really plan that early, honestly. Going to go up, back, out, up, out. There we go. And we're going to go right over here, curve up for the top of the skull. Okay. Go over here on this side. Up over here for the top of the skull. And then I'm going to throw a curve over the top of this to kind of connect them. There we go. Go over here on this side, throw a little bit of dark because there tends to be dark over here in the mandible area. Kind of like that open space behind the teeth. And the dark over here. There's a little dimple right here, right there. Right there, they put these two dimples. I forget what those are called. But they look cool, and they are on a lot of skulls. Line across the top over here. And curve over here. Curve over here. Line. line down, line down over here, up, fill it in, line down over here, up, right on, fill it out, fill it out, line over here, up, line over here, up, line, 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 like so, curve, and now right here you can kind of do whatever you want. This can be like the detailed area, and you know, for skulls I like doing this. I like actually putting in like cracks, obviously for Halloween skulls, so it doesn't look like I mean, it doesn't, obviously it doesn't look like an anatomy lesson because it's a stretched out cartoony style skull, but you know, you want to throw in like little lightning bolt shapes around here, like it's a crackling skull, right? Like from a movie, or you know, just a spooky skull in a haunted house. Like there, see, kind of thickening it out. See how it has a little bit character, right off the bat. So that's pretty cool to do that. Line right here underneath, line right here underneath, and then if you want to draw a little bit, maybe another crack over here. Not as big though, and I'm gonna draw it like a lightning bolt. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'm gonna be posting a Halloween video every single day until Halloween, and then maybe a little bit afterward for, like, you know, Day of the Dead, stuff like that. Hit the subscribe, click the bell notification so you know what's coming up. Also, share the video. When you share the video, it's gonna dictate how many times I post. Maybe I'll start doing 2 videos a day if I get enough views on one. So please share it anywhere, whether it be even Facebook, or I don't know if people for share videos now. But share them. It'll really, really help out. Line over here, line over here, line up over here. Just like these little cracks that, line over here, line over here. Whew. And that's it. All right. Share the video if you can, and you know, say hi to me in the comments. That's a huge thing. I love hearing from you guys. I'm seeing people come back every year. I love that. And don't forget to subscribe to the main channel. I'm gonna put the link in the description for that too. Alrighty. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.